In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you've spent with expense reports in QuickBooks Online. If you want a quick way to review your business spending, especially by vendor, QuickBooks Online makes this very simple with one of its built-in standard reports. This is useful when you want to understand where your money is going, review purchase activity, or prepare for bookkeeping and budgeting discussions. To get started, look over to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its built-in reporting tools, and it's the main area you'll use whenever you want to analyze income, expenses, profits, or vendor activity. Once you're in the Reports section, select Standard Reports. This will open the main library of default reports that are already available in your account. These reports are grouped by category, which makes it easier to find the type of financial information you need. From there, scroll or navigate to the Expenses and Vendors section. This category focuses on spending-related reports, so it's the right place to go when you want to review purchases, payments, and vendor totals. In that section, select the Expense by Vendor Summary report. This report gives you a summarized view of how much has been spent with each vendor, which can be especially helpful if you're trying to spot trends, compare suppliers, or verify where most of your outgoing money has gone over a specific period. As soon as you click the report, QuickBooks will run it automatically. That means you don't need to build anything from scratch. The report will generate right away using the default settings, so you can immediately start reviewing the data on screen. After the report appears, all you need to do is use the filters or tools above the report to adjust the included data. For example, you may want to change the date range, narrow the results, or customize what information is shown so the report matches exactly what you're trying to review. This part is important because even a great report becomes much more useful when it reflects the specific time period or spending view you need. And that's it. That's how to track what you've spent using the Expense by Vendor Summary report in QuickBooks Online. Once you know where to find it and how to adjust the filters, it becomes a fast and practical way to monitor expenses and stay organized.